It's not these hoses here that are leaking, right? It's not these?
I'm not sure. I think because it was coming from, it was like almost dripping down the aluminum.
Yeah, it's probably the drain.
Which drain spin? I don't think that puts water in it, does it? Or...
I'm not entirely sure.
Right, let's just do speed wash.
That is a, looks like 1.5 inches.
Yeah, and I'm not sure if these, because it looks like, I guess this is one. I don't know. We couldn't even find the shutoff too. So.
Well, the standpipe here is just completely rotted out.
Yeah. But that's just holding the actual tube, right?
Yeah. All right. Huh. Draining now. I don't see any leaks yet. What, you know what I think is happening is maybe the standpipe, because like I was telling you, this is 1.5 inch tubular. Mm-hmm. And I'm thinking that maybe whatever load you drained in here was just a way too much water, and it just couldn't keep up, and it might have just came over the top here.
Yeah, that's my guess. Because over here, I'm gonna test this. I'm thinking that probably just doesn't have a way to get all the water out right now.
So what I can do is I can just cut this and put an adapt to 2 inch, and repipe this all in 2 inch, and then you know, down the line, if this needs to be, because behind the wall is likely I don't know, it may not be, because this building's so old. Behind the wall may still be 1.5 inches.
Right.
But I can do a little 2 inch here. And I guarantee that's going to help drain it a little bit. And I'm sure this 1.5 inches going in the wall here is probably not completely clear from gunk. If we can move this washer and dryer over a little more, I'll get in here. I can quickly cut this out and do it. All right. So I kept this a little longer because they can trim that if they want to. But you got about that much right there. And I spun this so it would go between these two. Because if I put it all the way to the wall, it would have been directly below this. This is 28 inches. This was the stick that I had in the truck. You got to keep it between 30 and 18. And although I can't deal with this has to be at least 6 inches off the ground, the trap weir right here. So that's about 10. So that should hold them over. I mean, yeah. I think this just wasn't able to keep up with the flow of water, and it's starting to rot out. So throw this away. And if that doesn't work, then we take off that no hub band and we cut the santee in the wall. But because you got a santee right here, and then it's going to go down. But I really don't think that's necessary, because I think it was as recent as the 90s, that maybe even not that long ago, that the code changed from 1.5 to 2 inch for washing machine drains. But that should put that in there. Do a little zip tie action. All right, we'll just do it. Dang. I need another zip tie. It's not long enough, but anyway. That's it.